Hi, Moki. Oh. What? What's up, guys? How's it going today? If you're new here, I am Tyler Hamilton, and it's lit. If you're not subscribed already, join the family. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, turn on post notifications, and subscribe to my other channel, The Savage Kids. That'll be in the description. I just posted a new video yesterday. It was a prank on my brother. Go check that out. So right now, my brother and I are gonna make paper airplanes. I have 2 pieces of paper, and we're gonna like throw them off the balcony of the stairs and try and like get them in like a garbage can or something. Okay, so I have my paper airplane right here. Tanner has his, or wait, never mind, he's making a new one. But what we have to do is we have to stand up here, throw it off, and try and land it in that cup right there. First attempt. Ready, set. Dang it. Guys, I did it, second attempt. Woo! Let's see how far this paper airplane flies. Ready? Beast. Okay, so I'm heading to my grandma's house right now, and there's no better way to get there than teleporting. Hey, I'm here. So sorry about the noise, but right now my cousin and my brother and I, my brothers, we are going to be playing home run derby. How this is gonna work is we stand here with the bat, someone stands there and pitches, and if we hit the top of the barn right up there, then it's an automatic win. But if we just hit like the side, it's a home run. And if we don't hit the barn at all, we just kind of hit it anywhere else, then it's an out. If you hit a car, it's minus a point. And if you get it in the basketball hoop, it's also an automatic win. Here's my cousin Aiden. What up?
The ones!
You playing home run derby?
Yeah.
Yeah, you are. I'm not gonna show much because I don't want to give it all away, because my brother is making a video for his channel. And by the way, while I'm saying this, go subscribe to him. His YouTube channel is called The Little Savage. He's right there. Little Savage, go subscribe. Okay, I'm only gonna show when I'm hitting, so I don't give it all away. Oh, frick. Oh my gosh. I'm freaking done. Okay, so as you guys just saw, that bat is so freaking small, it just is so hard to hit. Shut up. NASCAR, buddy! Okay, guys, that guy had a Polaris Spider, I think it's called. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. That was sweet. Okay, I'm not gonna record any more of this home run derby. I'm gonna leave the rest for my brother's video, but I'll be back when we're done. Okay, so we just finished playing home run derby, and I just thought of a great idea that we're gonna do. So pretty much what we're gonna do is we are going to make a gigantic sign, like a giant sign, and we are going to write honk if you hate Justin Bieber. Okay, guys, we just finished the sign. Here's the sign. Honk if you hate Justin Bieber. Okay, so we taped it to a chair.
Oh, that's a monster.
Oh yeah! Come on. Oh yeah, that's 2. Okay, lady. Come on. Oh, yeah. 3. Okay, so out of 4 cars, we got 3 beeps.
Beep, honestly, beep.
Oh yeah!
Beep. Oh, look at that monster. You got monster. Jeep Wrangler.
Everyone beep.
Beep, 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 beep. Come on, beep, beep, beep. I swear, if no one beeps. Beep, beep, beep.
Oh yeah! I like that guy. Come on, come on. Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we got tons of cars coming.
Holy crap.
Jerks.
Aw.
Gosh, they don't like little kids. Oh yeah, this guy's gotta beat.
This guy's gonna.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Put you on the planet.
Who put you on the planet? Come on, come on, beep, beep, beep.
Dang
Dang it.
Put you on the planet.
Seriously. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Wait, she's gotta beat.
She's not even gonna look.
Oh
Yes.
yeah! Oh yeah!
Oh, they have to. Come on, another person, please.
Oh yeah! Yeah, buddy! Woo! Oh yeah, thank you! Come on, buddy, come on, come on. I like your truck. Oh yeah! Okay, so I just missed about 50 beeps, but like there's been 50 beeps that I haven't got on video because I've been trying to get a good thumbnail, so I've missed that many. But I'm gonna keep videotaping the beeps. Oh yeah! Thank you for your service. They're gonna beep. They've gotta. Oh yeah! Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh yeah, thank you. Thanks. Oh yes. Everyone knows the game. Who put you on the planet? Oh, never mind. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Dang it, who put you on the planet? In the Honda. Come on, come on, come on. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I like that.
Dude, did you see that? What? The driver wouldn't use that What?
Come on, come on, come on.
The person driving
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Woo! Come on, come on, come on.
No, he's not gonna do it. Oh, yeah.
Come on, come on. Frickin' jerk! I'm gonna jump these sticks. Oh! Woo! Super duty! Come on, come on, come on.
Are you on Super Duty?
Oh, yes! Yeah, buddy. Come on, Ram. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, yeah! Woo! Come on, Diner! Oh! Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Ooh, nice Mustang.
Nice Mustang.
Oh, yeah! Thank you!
That Mustang, though.
Oh, nice car. Come on, beep, beep, beep.
You should use that as your thumbnail.
Come on, man.
Beep, beep, honestly,
Beep, beep, beep.
beep.
Come on, beep.
Who put you on the planet?
Come on. Who put you on the planet? Oh. He's getting a picture. Yeah. Do you mind being in my YouTube video?
I don't care.
Okay. Yeah. Woo. Come on, buddy.
No. Let's go.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Come on. Dang it. Come on, come on, come on. Beep, 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 beep.
I'm not gonna say who put you on the planet because she's trying to.
Yeah! Woohoo! Hi. I love you. Oh. Yeah, you are. I love you. I love you. Come on, come on, come on.
Honestly, do you even love her?
Yeah! We got a car. Come on. Honk, honk, honk. You hate him, don't you? Come on. You hate Justin Bieber?
You love
Yeah! Yeah, you do. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Batman.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Honk! Honk! Thank you. Yeah, you know you want to honk. Honk, 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 honk. Yeah, buddy! Yeah, buddy! Okay, guys, I think I have enough beeps. This video is going to be pretty long, but I'm still going to keep my camera on me. So if I see any like exotic or nice cars, I'll pull my camera out and record them.
Lambo.
Lambo. But, yeah.
Woo.
Woo. A gang. Okay guys, so I'm not gonna videotape any more like cars going past, but I'm still gonna leave the sign out to spread awareness. Okay, with doing this, I'm gonna have a challenge for you guys to get a shout out. So go back through the video and count how many beeps we got and comment. And if you get the right number, you'll get a shout out in the next video. Okay, I'm leaving my grandma's house now and I'll jump home. Oh, I'm home. Yo, where'd my shoes go? Anyways, guys, that is going to wrap up today's vlog. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, join the family, like this video, please. Share this video. Try and get Justin Bieber to see this video. Subscribe to my other channel, The Savage Kids, and I will see you next time. Yeet.